Hello students, welcome you all in Olympiad GK class. Today we will discuss chapter number 7, Language and Literature. I have already discussed the previous chapter from 1 to 6. Please watch the videos. And now today we will discuss chapter number 7. Let's start the discussion. Question number 1. Shakespeare introduces his character Puck as a sweet and knavish spirit. He is a clever, mischievous elf and gesture to the fairy king Oberon. In which of Shakespeare's play does he feature? Four options are there, and the correct option is option number A, A Midsummer Night's Dream. Next question. Question number 2. The term warlock, a man of magic, is said to derive from the Old English word warloger, means oath breaker or deceiver. What is the female equivalent of warlock? Female equivalent. Correct option which? Question number 3. What does the idiom hit below the belt mean? Option number B. To say something that is often too personal, usually irrelevant, and always unfair. Question number 4. The term robot first appeared in this play or you are Rosum Universal Robot in 1920 and has its roots in the season's word robota, meaning compulsory labor. Who wrote this play? Question number 4. Correct option is option number A. Option number A, Carol Capik. Now, question number 5. This language literally means natural or common. It was used to write Jain scriptures. Many modern day Indian languages have descended from it. Which language are we talking about? Question number 5. Correct option Prakrit, old language. Question number 6. In the classic novel Alice in Wonderland, which character sings a song Soup of the Evening, Beautiful Soup? Question number 6. Correct option The Mock Turtle. Next, question number 7. Robin Hood's band of merry men tortoised the rich who passed through Sherwood Forest. Who among the merry men was the religious man who had been defrocked? Question number 7. Correct option B, Farrier Tuck. Now, next, question number 8. Lord of the Flies novel Lord of the Flies novel about a group of British boys stuck on an inhabited island who try to govern themselves with disastrous result. What was the Nobel Prize winning author first book and is considered one of the top 100 books of the 20th century? Who wrote this novel? The question is, who's the writer of Lord of the Flies? Correct option William Golding. Correct option Question number 8, option number A, William Goldien. Now, next, question number 9. Many foreign language words and phrases are used in the English language. What does the phrase bona fide derived from Latin mean? Bona fide mean. Question number 9. It means genuine. Option number B. Next, question number 10. Harvest is a play about organ selling in India, set in the near future. It won the 1997 Onassis Prize as the best new international play. Its multi talented author is also a well known journalist and comic strip artist. Who wrote this play? Question number question number 10, option number C. Question number 10, option number C, Manjula Padmanabhan. Now, question number 11. Who is the winner of first Janpith Award? Question number 11. Question number 11, option number C, G. Sankara Kurup. Question number 12. In which famous book would you read about the Imalet city where everything is green and sparkling with emollients? Name of the novel. Question number B, question number 11, option number B, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Question number 13. A person who gives too much attention to small details and wants everything to be perfect is called. What the person is called? Correct option, option number B, fastidious. Question number 14. Sangam literature is one of the main sources used for documenting the early history of this people of South Asia. The ancient Sangam poems are based on human experiences, emotions, human aspects, and nature. To which of the following does it belong? Question number 14. Correct option is Tamil. Next, question number 15. Margaret Michelli Civil War. Margaret Michelli's Civil War saga set in and around Atlanta, Georgia, become one of the 20th century's best-selling book. It was made into It was made into a movie starring Clark Gable and Vivian Leigh, which went to win many Oscar awards. What is the book called? The name of the book. Question number 15. Gone with the Wind. Gone with the Wind. Correct option. Option number C. Gone with the Wind. Question number 16. In Zaidu did Kublai Khan a stately pleasure dome decree where Alpha, the sacred river, ran through caverns, measureless to man, down to a sunless sea. Who wrote this famous poem, Kubla Khan, or a vision in a dream, a fragment? Very common answer, S.T. Coleridge, Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Question number 17. Who was the author of the famous revolutionary song सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है? देखना है बाजू जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है. It's written by. Four options are there, and the correct option is Bismil Azimabad. Bismil Azimabadi. Okay. Now, question number 18. As dog are canine, cows are. Question number 18. Option number A, corvine. Question number 19. Man is born free and everywhere he is in chains. Thus starts the treatise by one of the greatest thinker of all time. Who is he? Whose speech it is? Man is born free and everywhere he is in chain. Question number 19. Very famous Rousseau, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Question number 20. What does a numismatist do? What does a numismatist do? Question number 20. Correct option A, collects coin. Question number 21. To read between the lines means to understand hidden meaning. To understand the hidden meaning. Question number 22. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. This line comes from a speech of very well-known Indian personality. Yes, very well-known Indian personality. All of you know him, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 23. Bengal sailor are we who bear our shining loads to the temple fair. Who will buy this delicate, bright, rainbow-tinted circle of light? This extract is taken from the poem The Bengal Sailor. The Bengal Sailor, the famous Indian writer Sarojini Naidu. 23. Sarojini Naidu. Question number 24. Line tricks are short, humorous poems. How many lines do they have? They have only 5 lines. Question number 25. Who was the merchant of Venice in Shakespeare's play of the same name? Same name of the play, Merchant of Venice. Antonio. Okay. Students, that's all for today. We have completed the discussion of chapter number 7, Language and Literature. Bye.